Also, if you take a peek again at that color theme panel, we could pick a color theme in there, and there's a button right below the color wheel that we can click to add those colors to our swatches. So I'll just click that button, and the colors in this color theme get added to our swatches. Now, this color theme panel is very interesting educational value because we can click on the Explore menu, and then in here we will search for the word happy. And let's see what we get. And we see some happy color themes. So you can see there's lots of happy color themes, ways that you can make somebody feel happy, evoke the emotion of happiness using colors. And these are just samples here in the color theme panel. I'm going to choose sad, and let's see what we come up with sad. And we'll, I bet, come up with, there are some sad colors that make you want to cry. Some are very monotonal, some are very dark, desaturated. Again, the ability of colors to evoke emotions.